You're so busy with your phone. Who are you talking to?
No one, babe, I'm just checking my crypto.
Not again, babe. Can we please just enjoy the moment for once?
Hard to enjoy something when your portfolio is down 15%. Sure, babe.
Wow, look at this bag. It's so lovely.
Useless investment, it only goes down in its value. It'd be better to spend that money on Ethereum.
Ethereum Improvement Proposal 1559. If you were in crypto back in 2021, this was the thing that many of us looked forward to for months, hoping that the new burning mechanism would reduce supply, and the price of the ETH in your bag would 5x overnight, of course. Maybe ETH would even flip Bitcoin, and Ethereum holders everywhere would finally get to move out of their mom's basements. Now, Ethereum holders are facing a new problem, and I'm not just talking about the price. After the London hard fork, Ethereum was supposed to become deflationary, right? But what if I told you the supply of Ethereum is still on the rise?
Solana is, if you go to like a Solana conference versus an Ethereum one, there's very few talks about scalability on the Solana conference.
Find out what this means for Ethereum's face-off against Solana, and find out who's selling massive bags of ETH. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you want to learn more about crypto and learn how to play the crypto markets to put yourself and your family in a better financial position, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find value in this video, and I think you're going to. Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, never had a supply cap, which meant that ETH was mined and put into the supply indefinitely. That is, until the London hard fork on August 5th in 2021, which was supposed to change all that with several Ethereum Improvement Proposals, or EIPs. One EIP, in particular, EIP 1559, would implement a new fee mechanism that would burn a portion of transaction fees with each block, which was supposed to remove ETH from circulation and reduce the overall supply. It was deflationary for a while, and the new EIP seemed to have done its job. However, recent data from ultrasound.money reveals a shift in the network supply dynamics, indicating that now ETH is inflationary. Ethereum's issuance is now outpacing the burn rate, leading to a slight increase in the total ETH supply. As per ultrasound.money's real-time tracking, Ethereum's issuance over a 7-day period currently stands at around 16,000 ETH. On the other hand, the burn total, which is directly tied to transaction fees, is currently around only 1,000 Ethereum in the last 7 days. This discrepancy between issuance and burn rate results in a net increase in the Ethereum supply, hence the inflationary state. There's a reason for this, and before I get into the big bags of ETH that are being sold by none other than Vitalik himself, Ethereum's founder and crypto Casanova,
what?
Let's talk about the Denkun upgrade and why it's giving us bloated ETH supply. But first, I want to talk about something that we actually want to inflate, and that is our crypto portfolio. And that's where Phemex comes in. Are you looking for a reliable crypto exchange with low fees and high security? The search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Join Phemex using my affiliate link to get up to an $8,800 trading bonus right now. Experience top-notch trading features, low fees, and strong security. Click the link in the description to get started today. All right, guys, back to the Denkun upgrade. It's important because this upgrade is the primary catalyst for the shift, as well as the significantly reduced transaction fees on the network. While this benefits users by lowering transaction costs, it also means fewer ETH being burned per transaction. Experts in the Ethereum community believe that this inflationary phase is likely temporary. As network activity and demand increase, transaction fees and the associated burn rate are expected to rise. And future upgrades and improvements to the Ethereum network, well, they may further influence its issuance and burn rates. After all this time, it seems like Ethereum can't seem to fix one problem without creating another. So as usual, with Ethereum, stay tuned for more because for better or worse, ETH is always changing. Like sometimes the founder is holding and sometimes he's selling.
Our guest today is none other than Vitalik Buterin. How you doing today, my guy?
I'm doing well, Jose, because he created Ethereum and now I'm rich.
Thanks for that, Vitalik. The guy's rich, and he's realizing those ETH gains as we speak. Check out this tweet that cites Look On Chain, who traced the wallet address Vitalik.eth and found a transfer of 800 Ethereum worth about $2 million to a multi-sig wallet. The wallet swapped 190 ETH soon after for 477,000 USDC. On August 9th, another transfer of 3,000 ETH worth over $8 million was sent to the same multi-sig wallet. Normal profit taking or something bigger? Vitalik says he's pulling profits to give to other projects. He said he hasn't actually taken any profits for himself since 2018. Do you believe that? I don't know, maybe we'll chalk this up to business as usual, but you gotta admit, those are some pretty hefty transfers. While the current inflationary phase might raise eyebrows, we've got to look at the broader context of Ethereum's evolution. The network continues to innovate and upgrade, and its monetary policy is subject to ongoing adjustments. Like it or not, institutions have already staked their tents in Ethereum, and it's going to continue to grow. Are you holding ETH? Drop your comments down below. Get better adapted to changing circumstances in crypto by joining our community on Discord. Link in the description below. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. That's all I got. Be blessed. Big boy out.